Hi everyone, this is Tina with SI2. Hope everyone's doing well. It's time to update achievement data. In November, it's always important to update your achievement data from the previous year. So as we always say, we want your latest achievement data, and we know this year has been strange, to say the least. So any data that you have that is new, you will have some local achievement data that are the grades that teachers gave students at the end of the year of last year. You'll want to put those into your charts, and then that way when you have your council meeting, you'll be able to look at that data and have your latest data in order to share with them and also with your student body. On your process page, you'll see that all of this information is located for Update 1 schools in Section 4, and that's Steps 1 and 2. If you're an Update 2 or 3 school, you'll see that it is in Section 3, Steps 1 and 2. And for those of you that are kind of looking at this funny right now, remember all you have to do is look at a process page tab at the top of the page, and you'll see if you were an Update 1, 2, or 3 school. You're going to update the achievement data, as we said, using the charts provided. Do remember that when you go in and look at this, and it's good to always look at it first and see where the gaps are, and then you can go in behind the scenes and add your information. But remember, we fill a lot of this in. So a lot of this is already auto-filled by SI2. Anything that is public information from the State Department of Education, we automatically put into your charts. So a great deal of this is already finished. The main thing that you will be putting in, as I've said before, is just your local data. And that will be entered and submitted by, of course, your achievement data point person. You'll remember that in Step 3, you will have an optional achievement data submission, or excuse me, it's not a submission anymore. It used to be a submission, but anymore it's just a place where you can enter this. And this would be like if you do any kind of DIBELS testing, or if you're doing math testing, and that you have it, maybe you have your, as we always call it, the, what is it, the boy, the moy, and the oi. So if you have your beginning of year, middle of year, and end of year data on math programs, English programs, reading programs, maybe you do a different kind of testing that you like to parallel with your iLearn results, you have the chance that you can make your own charts. And it looks a little daunting at first, but if you have any questions, just call me. We'll create those charts. But sometimes it's kind of nice to have all that information together. Now, this does not mean that if you have this additional data that we expect you to put it on the charts. We'll never know. So whatever works best for you. The directions are on Step 3, and happily, this has always kind of been a cog, or a cog in our smoothness of our process. No submission needed this year for this step. Once you get all of your data that satisfies you into the charts, be sure and submit those. Remember, those are due November 30th. And then always check the VTA process page to make sure that that data checks criteria. And there again, those deadlines are important for that reason, because you'll want to get ready then to start planning for your December activities. If you have any questions, as always, just give me a call at 317-207-0246, or give me an email, tina@inspiresuccess.org. Hope everything works out great. Hop on that data wagon. Have a good day.